Online shopping is booming. It's convenient, offers vast choices, and often comes with great deals. But with this surge comes a dark side, an alarming rise in online shopping scams. Scammers are getting smarter, using sophisticated techniques to trick unsuspecting shoppers. From fake websites mimicking legitimate brands to phishing emails designed to steal your information, the threats are real and evolving. Don't let yourself become a victim. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to be vigilant and informed. Understanding the tricks scammers use is the first step towards protecting yourself. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the online marketplace safely. Remember, a little caution can go a long way in preventing a major headache. The good news is that by arming yourself with the right information and adopting safe shopping habits, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling prey to these scams. This guide will walk you through the most common online shopping scams, teach you how to recognize the red flags, and provide you with practical tips to stay one step ahead of the scammers. Your online security is our priority, and we're here to empower you to shop with confidence. Let's dive into some of the most prevalent online shopping scams you need to be aware of. Fake websites. Scammers create websites that look identical to legitimate retailers. They often use similar domain names, logos, and product images to deceive shoppers. These sites aim to steal your credit card information or other personal details during checkout. Phishing emails and messages. Beware of emails or messages claiming to be from well-known retailers, offering unbelievable deals, or notifying you of a problem with your order. These messages often contain links that redirect you to fake websites designed to steal your information. Social media scams. Scammers use social media platforms to promote too-good-to-be-true deals or advertise products that don't exist. They might create fake profiles or pages that mimic legitimate businesses to gain your trust. Auction fraud. In online auctions, scammers might bid up the price of an item they don't own or create fake seller profiles to deceive bidders. You might win the auction but never receive the item or receive a counterfeit product. Spotting a scam isn't always easy, but there are telltale signs that can help you. Suspicious website addresses. Pay close attention to the website address. Look for misspellings, unusual characters, or domain extensions that don't match the company's name. Unsecure websites. Legitimate online stores use secure connections to protect your information. Look for HTTPS in the website address and a padlock icon in the browser's address bar. Too good to be true deals. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Scammers often use unbelievably low prices to lure victims. Pressure tactics. Scammers often use pressure tactics to rush you into making a purchase. Be suspicious of limited time offers, countdown timers, or messages urging you to act quickly. Here are some expert tips to help you shop safely online. First, shop from trusted sources. Stick to reputable online retailers you know and trust. Check for customer reviews and ratings before making a purchase. Next, use secure payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. These options offer greater protection if your information is compromised. Be wary of sharing personal information. Only provide the necessary information when making a purchase, and be cautious about sharing sensitive data like your social security number or bank account details. Lastly, keep your software updated. Ensure your operating system, web browser, and security software are up to date. Updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that scammers could exploit. Taking proactive steps can significantly reduce your risk. Regularly check your bank and credit card statements. Monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity and report any unauthorized transactions to your bank immediately. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Create strong, unique passwords for your online accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. If you encounter a suspected scam, report it to the appropriate authorities. This helps protect others from falling victim to the same scam. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about the latest online shopping scams and share your knowledge with family and friends. By staying vigilant and following these expert tips, you can confidently navigate the world of online shopping while safeguarding your personal and financial information. Remember, your online security is a shared responsibility. Be proactive, be informed, and shop smart.